Students, I am Mrs. Aparna Joshi. Welcome to Maths Grade 3. Today's our topic is multiplication. Actually, this multiplication topic you have seen in standard 1st and 2nd also. But the next level we are going to see in this our class. So, multiplication is repeated addition of same number. So, multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition of same number. For explaining this, we can see one example. Here is one example. 7 plus 7 plus 7. If this repeated addition will do, we will get one answer. So let us solve this example. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 7, 28 plus 7, 35 plus 7, 42 plus 7, 49. So in this way, repeated addition of same number we have solved and we got answer 49. So this number was small, so it was easy for us to solve. But if we will get any large number here, that is very difficult to solve. If we will get any large number to solve here, it will be very difficult for us to solve this repeated addition. Instead of this, to get very fast and quick answer, we can take help of multiplication. 7 multiplied by 7 means 7 sevens are 49. This answer we got within 1 second. So in this way we understand that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition of same number. So for this multiplication lesson, students, it is must for you to learn the tables from 2 to 16. You must learn the tables, then only you can solve all examples easily and with correct answer. You must learn the table 2 to 16. So I think definitely you all will learn these tables 2 to 16. Now let us go to the properties and facts of multiplication. To solve the correct answer and easily to solve the multiplication, we must learn the properties and facts of multiplication. The first fact of multiplication is repeated addition of same number. Just now in our upside definition we have seen that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition of same number. The second fact is the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which is to be multiplied is called as a multiplication. In multiplication always two numbers are involved. So the number which is before multiplication sign is called as a multiplicand. So now let us go to the next fact. The number by which we multiply is called as a multiplier. So as I told you, in multiplication always two numbers are involved. So the number which is next or after the multiplication sign is called as a multiplier. The next fact is the answer is called as a product. Whenever we are getting answer of multiplication, we called it as a product. So 5 multiplied by 8, the same example we have repeated everywhere. 5 multiplied by 8. Two numbers are involved in multiplication, and after multiplication whatever number we will get, that number is called as a product. So in this example once again I am explaining you. The number which is before the sign of multiplication is called as a multiplicand. After the multiplication sign is called as a multiplier, and the answer is called as a product. So I think students, you have understand these facts of multiplication. Now let us start learning the properties of multiplication. The first property is property of 0. The product of 0 and any number is called as is 0 always. The product of any number and 0 is called as is always 0. Example. To explain this property I am giving you some examples, students. So see carefully these examples. 0 multiplied by 5. 0 5s or 5 zeros are, answer is 0. This is single digit number, so easily we can understand. Let us go to the 3 digit number. 215 multiplied by 0. Definitely the answer is 0. Here nothing is given here and multiplied by 8, but we got answer 0. So what we have to write here? We must write here 0. 0 multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. Next example is 628 multiplied by what? Then we will get answer 0. Here we have to write 0. Then only we will get the answer 0. Okay students? So in this way, by learning these examples, we understand that property of 0, the product of 0 and any number is always 0. Let us see the next property. The next property is property of 1. Let us read this property. The product of 1 and any number is that number itself. Means whenever any number is multiplied by 1, answer is that number itself. Let us see some examples. Here are some examples. 2 multiplied by 1. 2 ones are 2. Whenever 2 is multiplied by 1, answer is that number itself. 2 is the answer. 25 multiplied by what number? So that we will get answer 25. Definitely we have to write here 1. 25 ones are 25. Whenever any number is multiplied by 1, answer is that number itself. Here 367 multiplied by 1. Answer is 367. Once again here we will understand the property. Whenever any number is multiplied by 1, answer is that number itself. 1 multiplied by what? Then we will get answer 469. Definitely we have to write here 469. Once again we will understand here property. If any number is multiplied by 1, we will get the answer that number itself. So this is our second property. Now let us go to the third property. Order property. We can multiply two numbers in any order. Means we can change the order of the numbers. The product will be the same. If we change the order of number, then also the product will be the same. Some examples we will see. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Here we have this order that 6 is first and 2 is after we have written. Now here we have changed the order. 2 multiplied by 6. Then also the answer is same. 5 multiplied by 8. So 5 is in the place of multiplicand and 8 is in the place of multiplier. 5 8s are 40. If we change the order 8 into 5, once again we got the answer 40. This order property explains us that if we change the order of the number, the product remains the same. Based on this property, we can solve such type of questions which we have written here. 9 multiplied by 6. What is the answer? 9 multiplied by 6. 9 6 are 54. Okay. So, is equal to sign tells us that both sides are equal. Here also we must get the answer 54. As we got answer 54 here, is equal to sign tells us that here should be answer 54 only. So how can we get the answer 54 here? So what number we have to multiply by 6 so that we will get the answer 54? We have to write here 9. This order property only will tell us that if we change the order of the number, answer remains the same. Here also 7 multiplied by 3 we get answer 21 is equal to sign tells us that this side value is also 21. So, which number is missing here to get the answer 21? 3 is missing here. Here also, this example also explains the property of order. If we change the order of number, product remains the same. Now, let us see the last property, group property. We can multiply 3 numbers in any order. The product will be the same. Same like order property. We can change the order of 3 numbers also and still we will get the answer same. Here, these 2 examples we have written here. By changing the groups and order of the numbers, 3 multiplied by here the group is 6 into 4. So whatever is given in bracket, that is called as a group and we have to multiply that first. 6 4s are 24. 24 multiplied by 3, answer we got 72. The same we have done here. 6 is outside and the group is changed here. Numbers are same, but we have just changed the order of the numbers. 6 multiplied by 3 into 4. Here also number was 3, 6 and 4. Here also 6, 3 and 4. Same numbers are there. Just we have changed the group. 3 4s are. This is group. So 3 4s are 12. We'll take this 6 down. 12 multiplied by 6. We'll get answer 72. So in this way, group property is also explaining the same. If we change the order of 3 numbers or group, if we change, the product will be the same.